Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Alina Nadine and today I want to show you my Arduino password authentication tollgate system. Basically, it's a system where a gate opens when the correct password is entered either through a keypad or Bluetooth. If the password is wrong, a buzzer goes off. The main idea behind this project was to create a small access control system like a mini toll gate. I wanted it to give clear feedback so you know immediately if access is granted or denied and work automatically without needing constant supervision. For this project, I used an Arduino Uno as the main controller. A servo motor is to open and to close the gate, a 4x4 keypad for entering the password, a buzzer to alert when someone enters the wrong password, and a Bluetooth module so the password can also be sent wirelessly. I also used some basic stuff like jumper wires and a breadboard to connect everything. Now I will briefly explain about how I connected the components. Starting with the servo motor, the red wire is connected to the 5-volt supply on the Arduino. The black wire goes to ground and the yellow signal wire is connected to the digital pin 10. This pin controls the opening and closing of the gate. Next is the buzzer. The positive terminal of the buzzer is connected to digital pin 11 and the negative terminal is connected to ground. This allows the buzzer to activate whenever an incorrect password is entered. For the keypad, it uses rows and columns. I connected the 4 rows pins to digital pins 2 to 5 and the 4 column pins to digital pins 6 to 9. These connections allow the Arduino to detect which key is pressed. I also used an HC05 Bluetooth module for wireless communication. The TX pin of the HC05 is connected to the RX pin of the Arduino, and the RX pin is connected to the TX pin of the Arduino. The Bluetooth is powered using the 5-volt and ground pins. This setup allows the password to be sent wirelessly to the system. After completing all the wiring, I double-checked the connections to make sure they matched the pin configuration used in the code. Now, let's move on to the working of the project. As you can see, all the components I have already connected. First, I will enter the correct password, which is 5642, using the keypad. You can see that the gate opens and it stays open for the 5 seconds before closing automatically. Now, I will enter an incorrect password 5693 which is not our password, and as expected access is denied and the buzzer alerts us for a wrong entry. Next, I will demonstrate the wireless operation using Bluetooth. Here, I have the option to connect my mobile phone to the HC05 Bluetooth module, which is already paired. I will enter the correct password on my phone and press the send button. On the serial monitor, you can see that the password is received along with the exact digits entered from the mobile phone. After that, the system displays access granted and the gate opens again, and it stays open for 5 seconds before closing automatically, but this time it opens through the wireless connection. So this is how the system works in real time. While developing this project, I did face a few challenges and I will briefly talk about how I solved them. First, wiring and pin management. Initially, connecting the keypad and servo properly was challenging because multiple pins were involved and sometimes the servo didn't respond correctly. But I carefully planned the pin assignments and double-checked all connections, ensuring both devices worked reliably together. Second, Bluetooth input reliability. At first, the system didn't always register the full password via Bluetooth, causing failed attempts. I solved this by reading the Bluetooth input character by character and verifying the password only after receiving all 4 digits. This made the input consistent. To conclude, This project was a great learning experience. I got hands-on experience with Arduino, sensors, and wireless communication, and it successfully demonstrates an automated toll gate system. Thank you for watching.